So if you have a code screenshot, let's say, for example, I have the screenshot right here. Let me just open that out right here. This is a screenshot of a programming code right here. Let's say what I want to do is I actually want a written code out of it. In that case, what you can simply do is, let's say, for example, go around onto your attachment right here. Then on my desktop, I actually have the screenshot right here. Let me just go ahead and open that out right here. And let's say I'm going to say, there is a Python programming code in this picture. Give me that code right here, just like this. So if I were to simply go ahead and attach out that screenshot and then say, give me that code, then what happens is that DeepSeek will analyze the screenshot and then will simply give me the code, as you can see right here. So it's a basic code to add two numbers, and then you can see that this is what it gave me right here, just like this, and even gave me a correction, as you can see over there. And that is how you can utilize the screenshot to code function inside of DeepSeek. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.